Radiant heating and cooling systems provide energy-efficient indoor comfort by regulating temperature through the floor surface. The installation process begins after the structural walls are erected and the floor area is prepared for the HVAC infrastructure. Next, the air duct network is installed to support the building's overall ventilation requirements. Edge insulation strips are then applied around the perimeter to minimize thermal bridging and accommodate floor expansion. A vapor barrier sheet is laid across the floor area, helping protect the system from ground moisture and ensuring long-term performance. Once the preparation layers are complete, a concrete base layer is poured to create a stable foundation. A customized 7-loop manifold is then positioned. Multi-layer composite pipes, commonly known as MLCP pipes, are introduced and connected to the manifold. The MLCP piping network is carefully routed throughout each room, ensuring uniform temperature distribution across the entire floor area. Room thermostats are installed for precise temperature control, while an additional concrete layer encapsulates the piping system and enhances thermal mass. After curing, the final flooring material is installed. In this example, ceramic tiles are used to provide excellent thermal conductivity and durability. The result is a complete radiant heating and cooling floor system that delivers consistent comfort, improved energy efficiency, and precise climate control throughout the building. For more engineering animation, HVAC visualization, and building services simulations, contact Dream Engine Animation Studio.